What are abstract classes? They are special classes that cannot be instantiated into objects. But why would you want to do that? Isn't the whole reason of classes to make objects? Well, abstract classes allow you to define your classes without getting into the specifics, with the overarching idea being abstraction, something I will continue to cover on this channel. But the general premise is that you want to have your code define what is needed without implementing it immediately. Alright, let's visualize it a little better. I asked this seemingly simple question: what is a vehicle? Well, we can define it as a mode of transportation. This idea of vehicle, though, is a relatively abstract concept. We can't visualize what a vehicle is because vehicles aren't really physical objects. But we can say that cars, planes, trains, and boats are all forms of vehicles. But these are objects that we can visualize. Think about abstract classes like the framework for your subclasses. Just like how vehicles is a framework or a concept for cars, planes, trains, boats, etc. We have this public abstract class called vehicle. We define vehicles in this example by having a make and a model. We have getter methods which are used to return the make and model of any vehicle. But down at the bottom we have these method signatures. These are known as abstract methods. Abstract methods in your abstract class are literally just method signatures with a semicolon at the end, with no method body attached. This leaves the method body open to interpretation by whatever class extends the vehicle class. This is because implementing the method body in, say, a car or a plane class would look very differently. The purpose is to leave it open-ended, but to still force any vehicle to have the functionality of fuel up, turn on, and turn off. Going to our car class, let's extend vehicle. But wait, there seems to be an error. It says that our car class must implement some inherited abstract methods. We are forced to define our car class with these methods, so let's click on Quick Fix, and you see the code editor automatically creates the method fuel up, turn on, and turn off, the abstract methods from the parent class. Notice the @override tag. This is what I mentioned last video. It indicates that a method was overridden and makes your code more readable. But technically, you do not need it if you're overriding a method. And now you can continue defining your car class however you would like. Let's maybe add a global variable to track the color, and an int to determine the number of seats in the car, but also any other methods that you like to add. And that's all you need to know to understand the basics of abstract classes. If you enjoyed it, feel free to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.